Welcome. In front of me is a Samsung Galaxy A70, and today I'll show you how to enable and also set up the Do Not Disturb mode. So to get started, you want to pull down the notification panel, just clear that up, and then go to the second page, by default I think, and you will find the Do Not Disturb mode. Now once you tap on it, it will be enabled however it is set up, which is the default setup, and that's basically how you would manually enable it, and if you want to disable it, you just tap it again. Now if you want to set it up so it turns on automatically, all you need to do is hold the button and it will take you to the settings of it, and from here you have a couple other options. So turn on now, and that's basically as though if you would press it, then touch on turn on a schedule, and from here you can enable it, and you get to choose basically the days of the week that it's enabled. So you could set up so it's working only during the weekdays and weekends are off. So basically Monday through Friday now it will turn on, and then you set up a time when it turns on, so start time, and I will set it up as a 9 to 5, so work hours like so, and then end, let's put it to 5, assuming it's okay, that's a 24, so there it is, 9 to 5, there it is, and then tap on done, and now it will turn on at this time every day, Monday through Friday at 9 till 5. And you can also add allow exceptions, so this will allow the Do Not Disturb mode to be bypassed by specific things that you have set up. So probably the primary ones are right here, so calls and messages, and each one has the same options. So you have basically this is what who will be able to bypass the this mode. So for instance, you have all, which basically any number will be able to call you and message you while the Do Not Disturb mode is active, which kind of defeats the purpose of it. Then you have contacts only, so any number that is added to your contacts list. And then you have favorite contacts only. That's probably the most optimal one, so only your favorite contacts will be able to reach you. And none is just a complete silence from everybody. So you can choose whatever you like here, and the same goes for messages. You have also the same options that you separated, but you could choose, for instance, from all the contacts here if you wish to. Then repeat callers. Now here is that if the same number calls you within 15 minutes, it will actually allow the call to go through. So that's more of like an emergency situation. So if someone actually desperately needs to reach you for some reason, you can check that on, and if they call twice within 15 minutes, the second time you'll get the call. Then you have events and task alerts. I just say alerts if you want them or not, and reminders, same thing. So you also have a couple additional checks here. So alarm, media, and touch sounds, you can enable or disable if they're being affected. So those are the exceptions that they would be able. So alarms and media will be able to still have sounds while the Do Not Disturb mode is active. And once it's selected, all you need to do is just go back, and that will apply to whatever we have set previously anyway. And now, even though the Do Not Disturb mode is turned off right here, it will still turn on its own at this specific time every day. And that is how you would set it up. So if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.